So now student, we will discuss about page 25. Okay, so in page 25 their journey will begin. So the bus start moving and children sing at the top of their voice. So when their bus started moving, what the student was doing at the time, student was doing at the top of their voice, that means they were shouting. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields. So some of the students, they saw outside the view of the green fields by their windows, and the hills also, because some places may be hills, some places may be green fields, and they see all these views through the windows. Indira asking, when will we reach Bhopal? Now Indira is the student. Indira is asking. Indira asking. Okay. Indira is asking. What is asking? When they will reach Bhopal? In reply, Asha says, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. So in reply, Asha says that they will reach Bhopal in within 2 hours, or it will take 2 hours. So if it take 2 hours, then at what time they will reach? They started their started they started they started their journey. They started their journey at 9 a.m. Okay, they started their journey at 9 a.m. Now if it take 2 hours to reach Bhopal, then at what time they will reach? So we will just add 2 hours. We will just add 2 hours. That means it will be 11 a.m. or 11 o'clock. So in the blanks, what we write? It will be 11 o'clock. Mr. Manjit asking, is it very far? So Mr. Manjit says, is it very far? In reply, Bhimshan says it is about 70 kilometer. So from school to Bhopal, the distance is 70 kilometer. The distance is 70 kilometer. Ruby now asking, are we going to stop anywhere? So Ruby is asking whether the bus will stop anywhere or not. In reply, Rakesh says, maybe our bus may stop in Bhimbetka. Maybe their bus may take a halt in Bhimbetka. That is 50 kilometer from their school. So in Bhimbetka, from school to Bhimbetka, distance is Bhimbetka the distance is 50 kilometer. The distance from school to Bhimbetka distance is 50 kilometer. Now the question is, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there at what time? There are three options is there: before 10 o'clock, between 10 and 11 o'clock, and after 11 o'clock. Okay, so there are three options. We have to choose one of the option. Okay, so what will be our answer? For 2 hours it takes 70 kilometers. That means 70 kilometers, they go 70 kilometers distance cover 70 kilometer distance covers in 2 hours. Okay, 70 kilometer distance covers, or 70 kilometer distance they take 2 hours. Then 50 kilometer distance will be covered in 50 into 2 by 70. Okay, 50 into 2 by 70. So 0 and 0 cancel out. It will be 10 by 7. That means this 10 again we divide, then 7 1 ja 7, 3, then we can write 3 by 7. So that means 1 is to 1 by 7, it is what? Hours. Okay, that means it take more than 1 hours, more than 1 hours, 1 by 7 minutes, 1 hour, 1 by 7 minutes. Okay, we can write 1 hours, 1 by 7 minutes. That means it takes more than 1 hours. If it takes more than 1 hours but less than 2 hours, it takes more than 1 hours but less than 2 hours, then what will be our option? If it is 1 hours, then option first option is 10 o'clock, not will be the answer. Before 10 o'clock, not will be the answer. Before 10 o'clock, not will be the answer. 10 to 11 o'clock, 10 to 11 o'clock, and third option is after 11 o'clock. After 11 o'clock means more than 2 hours. So the first option is before 10 o'clock, less than 1 hours, not will be the answer. Third option after 11 o'clock, not will be our answer because it is more than 2 hours. The second option, that is 10 to 11 o'clock, that means more than 1 hours but less than 2 hours. Okay, because it is our answer. Why? Because it takes 1 hour 1 by 7 minutes to cover the distance of 50 kilometer from school to Bhimbetka. Okay, in the next page we will discuss about the next page of 20, page 26. Okay, thank you.